when you are walking in abundance and fruitfulness, remember to invest and save. Because there's a day of tomorrow that needs you to feed yourself and to feed the people that are around you. Those people are doing business today. It doesn't matter how much you earn. Those people are working today. It doesn't matter how much you earn. There is a day that you need to invest for, because tomorrow is surely coming. Usione kama utatembea ukiwa na utajiri, utakuwa na mali kwa wingi. Nimewaona waliokuwa na pesa nyingi wameanguka siku ya leo, na wanapiga simu wanasema niokolee, niokolee, niokolee. Ipo siku ya niokolee. Lakini kabla tuweze kufika hapo, I want to speak this word. May God help you to know how to put in something for yourself for the dry days, because they will surely come. For Joseph, he knew and he was shown by God that 7 years are coming of plenty, but there are 7 years that are coming of famine. Kama saa hii uko katikati ya kitu, nenda kafungue mahali ufiche kitu. Yusufu alisaidia watu wa Misri wakajenga magala. Wanapojenga magala, stores, now they stored a lot of food. And let me tell you, by doing that, is not even saving yourself alone. You're going to save other generations, your own children, your own father, who doesn't know that he's going to be saved by the wisdom and by the favor of God upon your life. Watakuja kutafuta chakula, na kumbe fruitfulness ya huyu mtu ambaye yuko foreign land ndiyo ambayo itawalisha. Today, if God has blessed you to be in a fruitful position, do not eat everything. Do not finish everything. The days of dryness are coming.